Now that you know the real secret of gardening lies in the growing environment and not plants, this itself is life-changing because now you see gardening very differently and approach gardening very differently. If you have yet to watch my first video on the real secret of gardening, go watch it before watching this. I will put a link down in the comments below. So today, let's talk about growing environments. A growing environment that is ideal for plants should have everything the plants need. Different plants have different preferences. For example, some plants prefer to be in direct sunlight all the time, while others may prefer to be in shady conditions. Or there are also plants which prefer to soak their roots in water, and others like to keep their roots dry. So an ideal growing environment is known as the perfect place for the particular plant to grow well. There is no stress to the plants because it has everything it needs, just like our homes where we are comfortable and free of stress. So, where do you think you can find such an environment? Where is the perfect home for the plants? The only place that offers such environment is in their natural habitat, out in the wild. If we can replicate the same conditions as their natural habitat, they will definitely grow well for us. This is the ultimate objective of any successful gardener. As long as you manage your growing environment well, your plants will grow for you. With this very powerful knowledge, you'll feel a lot more confident in your gardening. Understand your growing environment well, you can avoid plants that don't do well for you in your environment. Right? Or in another way, you know exactly what to change in order to grow certain plant well. Isn't that very powerful? In the next few videos, we will talk about what makes up a growing environment and how to determine the preferences of your plants. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out any of these videos. Comment below if you have any other questions. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.